Morning students, all of you might have practiced the portion which I had covered in the earlier classes. That means in the table tag, tr tag, td tag, th tag, attributes of the table, border, border color, bg color, background, align, cell padding, cell spacing, height and width, row span and call span. Today I am going to cover the topics anchor and links. A website consists of a number of web pages that gives you access to related information. Hyperlink is the most powerful feature of the World Wide Web. HTML renders a powerful feature of linking various text and pictures from one document to another document. That means anchor and link command is used to move from one page to another page or one website to another website. The text link appear colored and underlined. That means when you use the anchor, it displays a different color and underlined text. Types of linking: internal linking and external linking. Now, internal linking. When one part of the web page is linked to another section of a page, it is called internal linking. That means from one website to another website, if you want to go in one page to another page or one website to another website, it is called internal linking. External linking. When one page is linked to another web page or website, it is called external link. That means if you are using a link with other website, that means HTTPS, you are using other web pages, that is called external linking. Anchor elements, that means attributes of anchor. Anchor tag you should use in angle bracket A. A is a anchor tag, is used to mark the text as a hypertext link that a user can click to display the document anchored to it. That means when it comes in the underline, if you click it there, then it goes to the another web page or the documents. It is a container tag. It requires a closing tag. That means if you are using the anchor tag, you should close the anchor tag. Ends closing tag to mark the end of the text or image. You can use image also as an anchor tag. This tag can be used in two ways: the text or image that is clicked to active the link. When you click on that text or image, then you can use the click button. The address that will be open using the defined link. When you click it on the link, then it will open the another web page. You can use these links in the following ways: to jump from one section to another within the same web page. That means if you are using a web page and you want to go from one website to document, then you can use this anchor link. To link to another page within the same website, you can use another website also. You can easily link the another website. To link to another web page or website anywhere in the world, this one is called external. You can use any website from the world. The anchor element A is the anchor element. Use various attributes like href, alt, etc. Href means hyper references. Alter you can use in the image tag also. You can use alter, that means alternate message. Href attribute, you can create hyperlink in a document with anchor element. The href is an attribute to anchor tag which marks the anchor as the beginning of the link to another document, resource, or to a particular place in another document. The syntax of anchor tag: A href, the click.html. Here you can use the which one you can do it, the HTML file or document file or your web page. Message, which you want to click. Inside the message, what message you write it here, that message will, if you click it this message, then only this link will be open. That means it goes to that link. And close the anchor link. href attribute shows means hypertext reference. href means hypertext reference. Click.html and display the text as underlined and colored before the closing the tag. The browser assumes that the click.html is available in the same folder. That means what HTML you create, that should be in the same folder where you save the web page. Example: HTML head, title, I use table, close the head, body bg color equal to yellow. I write it anchor href equal to this stored in the E drive, e:/webpage/internet1.html, and here I give the text internet, close the anchor tag, close the body and HTML. When you run this example, then what happened in the web page, it display internet and it is in underlined format. Then when you click on internet, automatically this web page is opened. External linking: when one page is linked to another web page or website, it is called external linking. Anchor tag href equal to, I use http, then /www.kips.in. This is the anchor tag or href. Kips Publishing World, and close the. What happened when you click it here, it goes to this web page. If you want to do this one, you are in your computer, the internet, you should available internet connection, then only it goes to this link. Now we are going to create a web page in Notepad. Just check it. HTML head, title, close the title, close the head, body. Now we give it a anchor href equal to e:/web page internet1.html internet. Now close the body, close the body, close HTML. Now file, save, file, okay, save. Now go to E drive, link 1, double click it. Now see, here it display internet, which is in colored, blue color and underlined. When you move the cursor and click it here, then keep your mouse here, see what happened, it changed to the hand icon. Then click it, see what happened, it moves to the another page, that is another HTML file, which is, that is, see here, e website internet1.html. This is another HTML file. Clear? Yes students, when you click it in link 2, suppose, clear, see this is the link text. When you click it here, it goes to the Peacock file, a Peacock web page. Here it display in blue color. What color? Blue color. When you click it here, it goes to the Peacock file, and here also it display in blue color. If you want to change this color, blue to black or any color according to your choice, then what you do, you can use the attribute of body, that is a link, v link, link. These three attributes of body is there, that is link, a link and v link. We can use, then the color be change. How to change the color? See, in the body bg color equal to pink. Here I use it the link equal to, when you see bg color, link equal to black, a link is green, v link brown. Now we save it, file, save, then close it, then run link 2. When you run it, see here it display in black color, here it display in black color. When you click on Peacock, here also it comes in black color. Like this you can change it. When you click it, see it goes to the green. When you click it here, green, lightly we can see it, it comes to the green. If you clearly check it, then it comes to the green. When you click it, it display in green. See again, Clear? So if you want to change the color of a link, then you can use the attribute of body, that is a link, link and v-link. See, link, HTML link, hyperlink. You can click on the link and jump to the another document. When you move the mouse over a link, the mouse arrow will turn into a little hand. On that time, what color you can use, that will display first. That color we use with link attribute. If you want to change that color, default is blue. Default is blue color. If you want to change the color, then you can use the syntax body link equal to, you should write the name of the color. A link. A link attribute is used to specify a color of the active link in a document. To change the active link color, you can use a link. It is called an active link when we click on the link and when the website or web page is open in another tab. If you go and see the link which you clicked, it will be red in color, or you can use any color. Change the color. This means the link has opened the web page and the web page is open or active. That means with the help of that, you know that your web page is active. That is, syntax is body a link equal to color name. Next one is v-link. V-link attribute is used to specify a color of a visited link in the document. After one time you visit, second time again, if you are not clear the browsers, then second time if you again go to visit the same web page, then what color is displayed, that is given here in v-link color. When you close the web page, that has been opened using a link. Now if you go and see the link, you will see that it will be in purple color. Default is purple color. It means that the website connected to the link has already opened using the link. You can already check that link. Whenever you open the website containing the link until the history is erased. If you erase the history, then if you open that one, then it's display in the same link color. Otherwise, what happened? Again, if you are use same content, then the change color of website is changed. Visited or visited link can be changed. That is in purple color. The v-link will appears people only. If you want to change that body, v-link equal to color name. That means with the help of that you can change the color. These three attributes, that is a very important attributes of body, link, a-link and v-link. Now I think you all should understood the anchor tag. Thank you.